Spring is finally here and I'm celebrating with the most perfect warm weather recipe, a spring pea pesto pasta salad. Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie and I take the mystery out of cooking for you. This dish is vibrant and easy to make, but it's also amazing to take to a party or pack up ahead of time and take to the beach. Now let's get cooking. So the first step in making this beautiful pasta salad is cooking your pasta. So go ahead, boil your pasta, drain it, maybe put a little bit of olive oil on it so that it doesn't stick together. Set it aside to cool. Next, we're gonna make our own pesto. First, you wanna grab a food processor or a blender, whatever you have on hand. We're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of peas. Next, you wanna add 2 cloves of garlic that you've peeled and smashed. Boop. Then you want to add 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. If you want to know how to zest lemons, maybe I'll put some B-roll in to show you right now because I forgot to film that. But you just take like a zester. You just want to get the yellow parts, and that's the lemon zest. Don't worry, I'll make sure you know how to do it. Next, you want to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna add 1.25 cups of basil leaves. I mean, these basil leaves are spectacular. Look at these suckers. And 1/2 cup of parsley. You can use the leaves and the stems. And we'll just put these right into the food processor. Just kind of evenly place them into your food processor. And we're gonna pulse it until it becomes a paste. So at this time, you want to take off your lid and take a rubber spatula. You're just going to get the pesto off of the sides. Then you want to return your lid. I have here 1/4 cup of extra virgin nice olive oil, and I'm going to be streaming this in while I have this going.
Hear her over there breathing heavily while she sleeps.
Now go ahead and take off the top again to reveal this delicious green, wonderful looking pesto. So pretty. What you want to do is grab your salt and pepper. These are amazing, not really shakers, grinders. They have a little base that they sit on. They're always charged. I love them. If I can find them, I will link them here now so you can get some as well. I'm going to go ahead and you're just going to salt and pepper this to taste. So I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. Go ahead and take your bowl off and then get it into a smaller bowl. And then you're just going to give it a mix so that you can mix in the salt and the pepper that you just added. Now taste it and see if it needs any more salt or pepper. Wow. Okay, this is good. All right, you're going to really like this pasta salad. The next step in making this beautiful spring pea pesto pasta salad is to crisp up some prosciutto. Oh yeah. You want to take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and just kind of swirl it into the pan, or as much olive oil as you really need. Maybe not 2 tablespoons, maybe just 1 to start. And we're just simply going to lay these slices of prosciutto into the pan to crisp them up. We're doing about 6 slices of prosciutto, so just go ahead and work in batches and fry them up until they're crispy like bacon. While I'm standing here frying up my prosciutto, I thought it'd be a good chance for me to ask you, would you click that subscribe button down below? It would mean so much to me. It means so much to our channel. It helps us grow so that we can make more videos like this for you. And make sure that you hit that notification bell down below as well, because that notifies you every time we make another video. So once you have fried up all of your prosciutto, you want to go ahead and take it out of the pan, set it aside on a plate, and in the same pan that is clearly hot and ready to go, Add your other tablespoon of olive oil to your pan, and you want to add a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. And you just want to go ahead and mix these up and saute them and allow them to toast up until they are golden brown. This is going to add the texture that you are going to love in this salad. This is going to be the part of the salad, this with that crumbled prosciutto, and then I'm going to add a little lemon zest and Parmesan into these breadcrumbs. And after just a few minutes, you can see that it's nice and golden brown in color. So at this point, you want to turn off your flame and put this into a small bowl so we can add those extra little goodies to it. And then, and to these warm and toasty breadcrumbs, you want to add a teaspoon of your lemon zest. And this recipe, of course, is going to be down below. If I don't tell you exactly how much of something, it'll be there. You'll have all of the measurements there for you. Also, to the breadcrumbs, you want to add a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And then stir it up. It is going to smell so good because the warmth of these breadcrumbs is going to just wake up this lemon zest and the cheese. It's almost like I'm folding in this cheese.
What does that mean? What does fold in the cheese mean?
Oh my God. Look, cheesy, lemony, toasty goodness. Oh. And now grab yourself a big bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and use the bowl I'm gonna serve this in, which is this baby here. Go ahead and add your pasta that you cooked earlier. Now grab your beautifully vibrant, bright and sunshiny pesto that you made. Just pour it all over the top of this pasta. I'm also gonna add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over top. Go ahead and mix it up. Mix all of this pesto in with the pasta. This is like your canvas for this salad. Seems to be pretty well combined. Now go ahead and grab your crispy prosciutto and slide it off your plate because we're going to be chopping it up with our knife. And just kind of run your knife through it so that it is in nice crumbles. Just pop this into a little bowl to get it off your cutting board. Now you want to grab some arugula, or you could grab this by accident, which is the arugula and baby spinach mix. You want to go ahead and just grab a few little handfuls, and then you want to grab your just chopped up crispy prosciutto. I'm only going to add about half of this to the pasta right now. Sprinkle that all throughout. Then grab those mozzarella pearls that you've seen before. They're like little tiny pieces of fresh mozzarella. This is perfect because you can just break it apart into your pasta salad. This is going all throughout the salad. And now I'm going to do some more stirring to combine these ingredients into the pasta salad. Cannot wait to dig in. It's working pretty well to actually mix it in this type of container because it's laid out really flat. I'm happy with it. So the leftover peas that you have, go ahead and add these to your bowl of pasta. And stir those in. Now it's time to add the remaining lemon zest that you have prepared ahead of time. Just kind of sprinkle that all over this salad, as well as your lemon juice. This is 2 more tablespoons. Drizzle that evenly all over. And 1 more drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Just a light drizzle. Give it 1 more stir. The smells are glorious. And the last step is to top this pasta salad up with your wonderful breadcrumbs. This is really what is going to make this insanely addictive. And your crispy prosciutto to top it all off. Oh my goodness. Amazing looking. Woo. And this is my spring pea pesto pasta salad. And now it is my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. Can you hear the crunch? Oh my God. It is bright, it is just flavorful, but light. It tastes like spring in a bowl. It really does. Make this today and let me know if you do in the comments down below. I'd love to hear when you guys make my food. It makes my day. And let me know what you thought. I'm Tara the Foodie, taking the mystery out of cooking for you, and I will see you next time.